I need stands.
Morning, what's up? How you doing? Happy New Year. There you go. Oh.
Happy New Year.
Good to see you.
How you doing? Thank you.
How you doing? I told you, my brother.
Hello.
Adam.
Hello.
Cruz, out of the same office.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Good.
All right. Let's get it going.
Richard.
Yeah.
Good morning. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head wraps unless they represent religious purpose, no eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, white t-shirts or hoodies. Please take heed to the instructions. Court is in session. Good morning, Judge.
Okay. Does that automatically go to you when you start speaking?
I'm not sure. I didn't see it.
That's all right. We'll figure it out.
Okay. Okay.
All right. Good morning, everyone. What I'm gonna do the best I can get you out as fast as possible, and I'm gonna try to get you out in the order that you came in.
Oh, it's at the top.
So,
Buenos días, bienvenidos a la corte del juez Sean B. Perkins. Mientras que esta corte esté en sesión, no podrán estar hablando, comiendo, fumando ni recostados. Por favor, nada de camisetas blancas ni de escotes, tampoco ningún tipo de cobertura en su cabeza, a menos que sea por razones religiosas, y tienen que comportarse debidamente porque esto es una corte. El juez tratará de llamar a su caso de la manera más eficiente posible, más rápida posible y según el orden en que ustedes se conectaron. Your Honor, may I ask Mr. Santiago Gonzalez if he needs an interpreter?
you may. Let me bring in Mr. Gomez R, and we can find out who Mr. Gomez R is as well.
Okay. Thank you. Señor González, Santiago González, ¿usted necesita intérprete?
No.
Okay. Thank you. He doesn't. Thanks.
And Gomez R.
I don't know where he is at. Señor Gómez. Okay. Señor Gómez R. ¿Usted necesita intérprete? Señor Gómez R, abra su micrófono y su cámara, por favor. ¿Usted necesita intérprete? He's not answering.
Gomez R, I need you to unmute yourself, start your camera, state your name, please.
Señor Gómez R, por favor, abra su micrófono y su cámara y díganos su nombre completo, por favor.
I'm gonna put him back in the waiting room. All right, let's go. Mr. Basant, are you ready?
I'm ready, y'all.
Basant
Yes, Judge, I'm ready.
versus Sierra Alexandria Love, case number SP181. I'm sorry, Ms. Williams-Law, are we ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
The City of Detroit versus Sierra Alexandria Love, case number SP181-46121. Appearance for the record, please.
And good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Kevin Bassan, P7106, on behalf of Ms. Sierra Love. Ms. Love, please state your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Sierra Alexandria Love.
Oh, good morning to you, ma'am, and Happy New Year. Happy New Year to everyone. Today
Thank
is the
you.
date
You too, Judge.
set for a pre-trial. Mr. Basan, you told me off the record, your client wants a trial date. That
That's
date would
correct,
be
Judge.
January 23rd, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing, Mr. Basan, strike that. Did I say January 23rd? January
You did, yeah.
23rd. All right, at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Ms. Love, have a safe, be safe, and Happy New Year to you. And we'll see you back in a couple of weeks.
All right. Thank you very much, Al.
Thank you,
All
Your
right,
Honor.
nothing. Is that it, Mr. Basant?
That's it, Judge. Thank you very much.
All right. All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Whitney Lake, case number SP 181-80571. Appearance for the record, please.
Owen S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lake.
Whitney Lake.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Lake, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. All right,
Okay, thank you.
join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay, thank you.
Let's pass the matter as pre-trial.
Hello?
Good morning. Lizniski, did I get the pronunciation correct?
I believe you meant Lisinski, Your Honor.
Sorry. It's the City of Detroit versus, well, this is probably a formal hearing. It is. All right, I'm going to give the officer a half-hour grace period from the 8:30 time and give that officer an opportunity to check in. If that officer doesn't check in by 9 o'clock, we'll get you out of here.
Thank you, Your Honor.
It's the City of Detroit versus Baron Owens, case number SP 181-9505, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Baron Owens.
Yeah. Good morning to the staff. Cherika Harris, P72832, on behalf of Mr. Owens. And Your Honor, if possible, if I could have a docket, it would be appreciated.
Okay. All right, Mr. Owens, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Baron Owens.
Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Harris, this is a minor in possession of tobacco and an open alcohol passenger allegation. Mr. Owens, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Has an attorney requested, Your Honor?
No. That's fine. All right, pass that matter. Mr. Ogletree, are you ready on anyone? Mr. Barton, are you ready on anyone?
Well, it's all good, bro.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lake, Mr. Barry.
Yes, Your Honor. Ms. Lake has presented valid insurance, and we seek dismissal.
All right. All right. All right, if it's nothing further, case dismissed. Ms. Lake, that's my cousin, so I'm glad she got her case dismissed. Have a good
Thank
day.
you. All right, take care.
I'll see you soon.
All right, see you later.
This is the City of Detroit versus Dominique Ann Gaucher. Case number SP 1204201. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gaucher.
Dominique Ann Gaucher.
All right. Good morning again to you, ma'am. Day is date and time set for a pretrial. This is one of those cases, ma'am, that you can, it can't get any worse. It can only get better or stay the same. Mr. Your offer is going to be pleading as charged. I'm sorry. It's going to be pleading as charged, a $240 fine. I'll dismiss upon payment or setting the matter for trial. Speak to Mr. Berry. He'll explain things to you, Ms. Gaucher. You let us know what to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
Join the room. We'll pass the matter.
Attorney Harris, can you message me your email address so I can send you the docket?
Oh, did you get Mr. Berry's?
Yes, ma'am. You're M. Ramsey, right?
Yes. What is supposed to push this green thing?
Hold on, Mr. Luckett. On the Zoom user device, good morning to you. Need you to unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name, please. Zoom user.
Is he talking to you?
No,
me,
Zoom
Your
users.
Moses
User.
Luck. Moses Luck.
Luckett.
Moses
Luckett.
Luckett.
I see you. Good morning to you. You have to mute yourself until we call your name, okay? On the Zoom user device, I'm sending you the prompt. Unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please.
Hello.
Y'all supposed to fucking stop. You
Wait a
two are
minute.
trying to.
Miss Goodman, bye, Miss Goodman. Zoom user, did Zoom user ever unmute themselves? I'm gonna put you out, Zoom user. I'm gonna put you out if you don't follow the prompt. All right, turn your camera on. Good morning to you. State your name, please.
Good morning, sir.
It's not an option. Turn the camera on. Who's the Zoom user? What's your name, sir? Good morning to you.
Jonathan Lucas. Sorry about that, sir. I'm at Michigan Works. I completely forgot about the.
Jonathan
Go ahead.
Lucas.
Yes, sir.
Hey, good morning to you, Mr. Lucas.
Good morning.
I'm gonna mute you, sir, until we call your name. Good morning to you, Bishop.
How are you?
I'm well. How about yourself? What brings you down?
Dropping off some paperwork. I gotta go downstairs for a minute, but I heard you was here. I could not come tonight.
Thank you so much.
How you doing?
Very well.
Been enjoying your talk.
How's the young genius doing?
She's all right, prepping to go back test next month. So prayerfully, she does very well.
She will. She already did very well. You want her to do exceptionally well. All right. That's City of Detroit. Versus Ian Daniel Lisinski. Did I get that pronunciation correct this time, sir?
Correct, Your Honor.
All right. The case number SP 182-80311. Appearance for the record, please. Somebody put their appearance on the record, please. Is there an attorney in here?
No,
Erica
that's
Harris. Oh, sorry.
No, go right ahead.
Erica Harris on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name. Or respondent.
Ian Lisinski.
You have an attorney that you hired.
Correct, Your Honor. I have no idea where they are at this time.
Do you want to wait on them?
If possible, I can attempt to call them. I'm unsure if that'd be allowed or not, Your Honor.
You can call them. The case is going to be, I don't believe we have an officer here. That it's cutoff time, so.
Okay.
Let's see. Is there an officer shot? SHAH. I'm going to dismiss the case, no officer.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And further, sir, be safe. Happy New Year to you. And
Happy New Year to you as well. Have a good day, Your Honor.
Okay, let's go back on the record with Ms. Gaucher. Ms. Gaucher, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
My client wishes to enter a plea as charged.
You don't want to take advantage of the legal process, ma'am, and try to do better, huh? You just flush with cash, right?
I really don't know what to say. This is my first time. I don't know.
You didn't get the advice of Mr. Berry and have a conversation with him?
Yeah, I took his advice. I just decided to plead guilty.
Well, you do know then. So how do you say you don't know when you made the decision?
I don't know.
So do you have money?
Yes.
And you ready to just give it up that easy? You don't want to go see if the officer shows up at the next hearing, or the officer is on the officer to prove you guilty. It's not for you to say anything. They have to prove each and every element of the case. Do you want to see if you can save yourself some money and come back on a trial date, or you want to take the deal now?
I want to take the deal now.
Raise your right hand, ma'am. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
And did you understand those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No.
Do you know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, on November the 1st, 2025 at around 5:06 p.m., city of Detroit, did you own a 2014 Ford around that date and that time?
Yes.
And did you allow somebody to drive that Ford?
Yes.
And you allowed that person to drive that Ford knowing before you allowed that person to drive that Ford that that person did not have a valid driver's license.
No.
Is that correct?
No.
Okay, I can't take your deal, ma'am. I'm gonna have to bring you back for a trial.
Okay.
January 23rd, 2026 at 9 a.m. One of the elements of that is that you had to knowingly allow that person to drive your vehicle, knowing that person does not have a valid driver's license. And if you don't know, I don't know how the police are gonna know, but we'll see what they say. All right?
Yes.
Have a good day, ma'am. Best of luck to you. I'll see you back on the 23rd of January.
Okay.
All right. Tierra Gill. Is Tierra Gill here?
In the waiting room, Your Honor.
Need to get her, call the officer just here. Call the probation department for her. Okay, Officer Shah. Officer SHAH. Did he hang up?
You want me to log it out?
Yeah, let's find out what they.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. I just let your defendant go We have a cutoff of half hour grace period. I won't put that you were not appeared. I'll just mark it as a dismissal.
That's fine. So I didn't get the new courtroom ID. I was wondering why I wasn't able to find it properly. I had to call the court for it.
Yeah, I probably should have recognized that. I did that yesterday, but I didn't do it today. So I dismissed it. We already let him go. I won't put anything down, just dismissal. That's up to you what you want to do with it moving forward.
That's fine, sir. Was it for Mr. Ian?
Liniski.
Liniski, yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, you was very.
I did recognize that yesterday, but it seemed like I guess I'm gonna have to pay more attention to that because I still hear a lot of calls that people don't know that the courtrooms change. So my apologies for that, but he's already gone.
That's fine, sir. He was being very respectful during the traffic stop anyway.
Okay.
I remember it.
All right, officer, give me the correct pronunciation of your name.
Shaw, S-H-A-H.
Shaw. Okay, Officer Shaw, be safe out there. Happy New Year to you, and I'll see you soon, I'm sure.
Sir, I believe I have another case for Miss Love.
Miss who?
Miss Love, Triana Love. Good morning.
Love?
SP1801.
I see. All right, I see. I got you. All right. Well, sit tight.
Yes, sir.
Yep. All right. All right. Miss Gill, are you there? Mr. What attorneys are ready? Mr.
Taylor's ready.
Are you ready, Mr. Barton?
Your Honor, I apologize for interrupting. Actually, no, we're waiting on Mr. Lopez. Has he checked in yet?
No.
Okay. And then the prosecutor on the I apologize, Brother Davis. Just the prosecutor, if we could speak with that person for an offer.
8 and 4 for the prosecutor. They haven't showed yet.
Understood, Your Honor. I will hang tight.
All right, Mr. Davis, good morning to you. Who's your client?
Morning, Deshaun Galloway.
He's here. Do you need a breakout room?
Is there an officer Drake? Drake Roger?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, he's here.
Yeah, I need a breakout room with the officer or the prosecutor.
All right, 4, go to the breakout room. If you need a breakout room for your client, good morning, Mr. Galloway.
He can go into a breakout room until I speak with the prosecutor.
I'm gonna put him in 6.
Okay.
So you know how to move around. So 6 to 4, the city will be in. I don't know soon.
Okay.
All right, Attorney Calabit, I left you in the breakout room for quite a while.
Thank you. Hello, Your Honor.
What's your client's name?
David Ortega, Your Honor. Good morning.
Ortega, you got 2 things going on. You gotta.
Sorry, Your Honor. I'm trying to lower it. It's another Zoom going on. I apologize.
Go ahead. You take care of that. We'll be here.
Thank you, Your Honor. It's only going to be another 10 minutes for my Zoom. Thank you so much.
Mr. Taylor, Attorney Taylor, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. How you doing?
I'm well. Happy New Year to you. What's your name? How you doing? Good morning.
Same to you. I have Jeremiah Goodwin. I think we're going to set this for a bench trial. I did some cases with him last time, and he had some more. So you suggested that we put those together. So I think this is a pre-trial, if I'm not mistaken. Jeremiah Goodwin, and he's on.
So the only thing changed was
Goodwin. Okay, good, Mr. Goodwin. Good morning to you. Are you there?
Yes, I'm here. Good morning, Your Honor.
Happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year to you as well.
I got a court date. They moved it to January 13th. I don't have.
This is the city of Detroit versus Jeremiah Goodwin. Case number SP 182-6428, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Edward Taylor, P57166, appearing on behalf of Jeremiah Goodwin. Mr. Goodwin, would you state your name, please?
Jeremiah Goodwin.
All right. Good morning to you. Today is date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Goodwin, you want a trial date? Or
Yes,
this
sir.
Is a formal hearing? This will be a formal hearing. Formal hearing will be January 23rd. All right, you got to use your whisper voice. January 23rd at 9 a.m. January 23rd, 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, we'll see you back in a couple of weeks. Mr. Goodwin, best of luck to you, okay?
Okay, thank you so much. You have a blessed one.
Sure.
Counsel, can you repeat your P number or Attorney Goodwin?
Taylor, did he leave?
No, he's still here. Attorney Taylor, can you give me your P number, please?
I'll get it for you. It's 5 something. All right.
Okay, you guys.
Attorney Taylor, are you there?
That's 57166, Your Honor.
Thank
57166. All right.
Your Honor, is that line? Do I have to be there on that one?
No.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Have a good day.
You as well.
Yep. All right, Mr. Goodwin, I'll be in touch.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Baron Owens. Mr. Owens, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel.
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting the appointment of counsel. I've provided his contact information.
It's 2 files. Okay. All right. That's what you want to do, Mr. Owens? Is Mr. Owens here? All right. All right. I'm gonna give you a pretrial date of January 23rd, 2026. That date is set so that that appointed attorney can contact you. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by January 23rd, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
All right.
I just need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, best of luck to you. And I will see you back on the 23rd of January.
At what time?
Okay, what time?
At 8:30.
8:30, okay.
Okay, Miss Gill, Tierra Gill, are you there? Good morning.
Good morning.
Give me 1 second. Is Grant here, Sierra Grant? Let me get my house counsels going again, and then I'll start with the retained.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. City, good morning to you, ma'am. City
Good
of
morning.
Detroit, Sierra Grant, case number SP 179-81371. Appearance for the record, please.
Sierra Grant.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Grant.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Grant, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you do not like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay, thank you.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Thank you.
Germany, Jerry.
Judge.
Yes, who's that?
Maurice Davis.
Give me a second, please.
Okay, no problem.
Let me get Miss Harris going. City of Detroit versus Jerry, Germany. Case numbers SP 1817052, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Jerry, Germany.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Germany, if this is a discharge and a firearm within the city limits, I'm gonna fine you $500, the maximum. I'm gonna get up, Mr. Lewis. Are you laying down? Mr. Napoleon Lewis, get up. I'm gonna fine you the maximum, $500, 12 months delayed sentence, and you will take a gun safety course. If you plead guilty or you're found guilty of discharging a firearm within the city limits. Miss Harris is gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you do not like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Okay.
Was counsel requested?
I don't know yet. I haven't gotten the file yet. Is that
And good morning, everyone. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning, Miss. Yeah, no counsel was requested. All right, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Mr. Germany. You let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
We'll pass the matter. And Sierra Grant, do we have Sierra Grant? All right, Miss Horn, you need co-host abilities. I will do that now.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You have some attorneys that are waiting to speak with you as well. So breakout room 4 for the attorneys wanting to speak to Miss Harris.
Right. Thank you.
Sierra Grant requested an attorney. Gil requested an attorney. So we need to get attorneys on the spot, whoever has Grant and Gil. I know Miss Harris has already, Miss Mathis has already filled out the paperwork. I don't know if they've been contacted. So can we find out who their attorney should be? Call Miss, you know how to get in contact with Miss Ruth Carter, Judge Ruth Carter?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think I got her number.
Huh?
Yeah, I have her.
You don't have it?
I do.
Okay. All right. Mr. Barton. Let me find out who's on this telephone at 313-979-3535. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
And what is your name, ma'am?
Tia Goodman?
Goodman?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Tia Goodman. So you're on you're on 2 different devices.
No, Your Honor. I was discharged, I believe, accidentally.
You were on
I think
earlier. I had you signed in on another device.
Yeah, I was on Zoom. Unfortunately, I got dismissed, and I wasn't able to get back in. I didn't know that you guys were gonna allow me in at some point, so I just used my phone. If that makes sense.
If you can sign back in, that would help.
Okay. I'll do that then, Your Honor.
Our one in person, he's in the hall.
Brent McWilliams, I believe, and he's on the docket. Yes, sir. He's on.
It's not under McWilliams.
It's under McWilliams.
Oh,
He's on. So. He's under 9 o'clock at the bottom. On the telephone at 313-550-6935. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Brent McWilliams, Brent MC Williams.
Hold on, say that again.
Brent McWilliams, Brent.
That's not my character. Okay, good morning to you, sir. He's under 9 o'clock.
Yeah. Good morning.
Are you his wife? It's his wife right here.
Good morning to you, man. Happy New Year to you. Unlicensed room.
I'm sorry?
License, no, not you, Mr. Williams. I'm gonna mute you. Press *6 and to unmute yourself when I call your name. Unlicensed room.
Yes.
What is your name? What is your
Antoine
name?
Lewis.
Antoine Lewis. Good morning to you.
Good
Mr.
morning.
Lewis. I'm gonna get the reviews out of here. Let me do that now. All right. City of Detroit versus Antoine Tyrone Lewis, case number SP 174-00702, SP 174-5317, counts 2 and counts 3, and SP 174-53812. Mr. Lewis, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Antoine Lewis.
All right, day, date, and time set for a review. You were ordered to pay. You didn't pay anything.
Because originally we had until the 26th of this month. And then I got some information that said we was gonna have a review like today. So technically I believe I still have 20 days to take care of my obligations.
That's what you believe?
Yes, sir. And I'm hoping that's the case.
Okay. All right. Well, if that's what you need, I'll give you to the 26th. I marked the file the 6th, so it wasn't any discrepancy here, but maybe you heard it differently. I'll give you to the 26th.
Yes, sir.
January 26, 2026 at 8:25. Best of luck to you. Have a great day.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
As well. I think I saw Gamble here.
Yeah, I'm here.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
City of Detroit. Wait a minute. Versus DeAndre Doc Gamble Jr., case number SP 174-63928. State your name for the record, please.
DeAndre Gamble.
Yes.
All right, good morning to you, sir. you did pay this ticket. It just seems like you have so many other tickets. I got all the reviews right here. I'm sorry. Just seems like you have all these other tickets.
Yeah, I thought we were supposed to do the community service to make up for those, and I did finish my community service hours this weekend. Well, last.
I'm gonna say that this thing is printing out. I'm hoping that it's printing out maybe your father's tickets as well. Let me see.
Yeah, I did have a problem with that when I went to pay the 45 before community service. They had pulled up my dad record first.
Did you do the community service?
Yeah, I got it right here.
And how many hours did you do?
I did 16, but I was supposed to do 12, but I did an extra for about 8.
Very good. Very good. Is your dad around?
No, we don't live in the same house.
Huh?
What do you mean, like alive or like is he around?
Yeah, is he alive?
Yeah.
Well, he needs to come see me. Well, you his chauffeur?
No.
Yeah, he needs to come see me.
Okay, I'll let him know.
All right. Did you send that proof of community service into the community service coordinator?
No, I just got the paperwork right here with the with her son, with the lady.
Where did you do things? Where did you do community service?
At Pure Word Ministry Baptist Church.
All right, very good. We appreciate the community service. Let me see. Something's going on. Ooh, this. I need to get IT down here. This thing is bad connection. Yeah, I need to get IT down here. This thing has, or maybe that's good. Okay. Yeah, the connection is, I guess it wasn't pushed in. Let me see what you have, Mr. You just call him out? No, I'm just good. Mr. Gamble. Yeah, paper.
All right.
They have to turn your background off. Yeah, you have to turn the background off.
All right. All right, I can show you now.
All right, we appreciate the community service, sir. Happy New Year to you. I'm gonna dismiss the misdemeanor and I'm gonna close out the civil infraction. And I need you to do one more thing. I need you to send that in to Miss Shelton.
Okay, is it a email or phone number?
The same lady that turned you on to it.
Okay.
If it wasn't Miss Shelton and whoever was in the community service, whoever coordinated you with that place, so I can put that in your file.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day and have a great new year.
Thank you. Same to you.
Thank you. It's the city of Detroit versus Napoleon Lewis, case number U576322421. Mr. Lewis, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Napoleon Lewis.
All right, Mr. Lewis, good morning to you. Today is, and Happy New Year. Today is date and time set for a review. You have not paid.
So I was I'm on a fixed income, and I didn't have, and I knew I wasn't gonna have, so I was trying to see if I can be allowed a little more time. And I
Well,
apologize.
you knew you were on a fixed income when you said you had paid by now.
I know, but some of my other bills had came up, my rent and stuff like that had came up, and I didn't,
But that didn't just come up either. You knew that too.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I did take my class. I did pay for my class.
What kind of class is that? Disorderly conduct. What kind of class is that?
I don't know.
I know. I see.
Okay.
I'm gonna do is you need to get that class in here to us and make this.
She told me she was gonna send the class to your email.
I'm gonna bring you back down to the $50. I'm gonna waive that $50 fee.
Okay.
I don't know if that's a warrant fee. I'm gonna give you another 30 days to get it together, February 6, 2026. And I marked the file payment plan. So do one of two things, either pay it or put a little bit of money aside. I think you need 20% to get into a payment plan.
What's it be about, roughly?
20% of 240.
Okay.
$50.
Okay. And I apologize for laying down. I wasn't feeling good.
What, laying down? Oh, okay. No.
Yeah. I want to
apologize
for that.
Have a good day, sir. Best of luck to you. And we'll see you back on the 6th of February.
Okay, I appreciate it. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Okay, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Is Gil here? Tierra Gill?
She needed counsel, right?
She needed a counsel, yeah.
Yes. Looking on it.
Who did you have an attorney call you, ma'am?
It's Malafite.
Tim Malafite. Okay. What about the testing, Mr. Officer Thomas? Happy New Year to you. Good morning to you.
Happy New Year, Your Honor.
How's Miss Gill doing on her testing?
Just testing as directed, Your Honor. I have no positive screens.
All is well then?
Yes.
All right. Thank you, Officer Thomas. That's all I needed to know. We'll wait on all right, have a great day. We'll wait on Attorney Malafite to come see you, all right?
Okay.
All right. What about Sierra Grant? Did an attorney ever call you?
No. You put me in a breakout room.
You requested an attorney the last time.
Yes.
And we need to find out, we're trying to find out who that attorney did give you that name.
She's looking at it now, so Grant does not need one. Grant does not need a Gil, I'm sorry, Gil doesn't need one.
No, Gil is Malafite. Okay. She has Malafite.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. All right.
Because I think she's signing one for both.
All right, so I'm gonna pass that matter. Let's go with Luckett, Moses Luckett.
Your Honor?
You can unmute yourself now, Mr. Luckett. Hold on a second, please.
Okay. I got it.
All right, City of Detroit versus Moses Timothy Luckett. Case numbers SP 162-59452. And there's two off docket matters, Mr. Berry. SP 178-9670, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Owen S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Luckett.
Moses Timothy Luckett.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
All right, we'll enter a not guilty plea on Mr. Luckett's behalf. We'll give Mr. Luckett a $0 bond. I will, if the city has no objection, allow Mr. Luckett to be heard on these two civil infractions that were in default. Mr. Berry, I have a failure to stop at a stop sign and an expired plate. Mr. Luckett, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Okay.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter.
Okay.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Germany. Mr. Germany, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, I have advised the client of his rights. It is my understanding that he is going against the advice of counsel and entering a plea pursuant to the recommendation. He will be entering a guilty plea to both counts under a 3-month delayed sentence. I did advise that an attorney might be able to review dash cam, body cam, and police reports. He has declined that and wants to enter a guilty plea.
Yeah, I bet he does. Just want to get it over with, Mr. Germany.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's your choice. Raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
Understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes, sir.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, sir.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Let me draw your attention back to November the 1st, 2025 at around 12 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Westwood and Wadsworth. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
And you're firing a gun in the city limits?
Yes, sir.
For what?
Actually, I was getting out the car and I was grabbing my weapon, and well, I'm in, but where I live at, I'm in between 2 fields, and 2 men was running up, and I fired. I'm not gonna sit here, no need to lie. I fired the shot in the ground.
That's the most ridiculous stuff I heard. You just sound ridiculous.
That's what happened, sir.
Some people don't need a gun. You know that?
Yes, sir.
Just because 2 men are running up. What did they do?
I thought they was about to rob. I know they was about to rob me.
You know they were about to rob you?
I know for sure they was gonna rob me where I'm living at.
They all say that. You got to have some reason to fire a gun, right? I just all right. Is this are you a valid CPL holder?
Yes.
So you know this is gonna take that away, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'll find him guilty. He admitted to firing a gun. I don't necessarily believe his excuse. What about how are you disobeying this officer's order?
Actually, when after I went in the house and came back out, I don't know why. I don't know what made them say I was disobeying, because I never did disobey.
So, Mrs. Harris, I can't find him guilty of that. He's saying that he didn't do it.
Your Honor, I guess he needs a trial date, which is why I advise that we appoint counsel.
All right. Well, I can't find you guilty of that, and the city's not offering you anything else other than pleading as charged. So it will. I'm not appoint. Yes.
I also think that his plea then wouldn't be accepted because the plea offer was he had to plead a both to get the delayed sentence.
All right. I'm gonna appoint you an attorney, sir, because I think you need one. And go back in the breakout room, get his information, and then I'll give him a pretrial date of January 23rd, 2026. I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney, all right?
Okay.
All right, go back in the breakout room and speak to Ms. Harris. 8:30. All right. Mr. Davis, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready, Judge.
Who is your client?
Deshaun Galloway.
What's Mr. Galloway want to do?
We worked it out with the prosecutor. Enter a plea to amended charge. One of the counts is going to be dismissed.
Are you there, Mr. Galloway?
Yes.
Good morning to you. Happy New Year to you. This is City of Detroit versus Deshaun Galloway. Case number SP 179-3773, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Maurice Davis P 76203, appearing with Deshaun Galloway, who's present via Zoom. Mr. Galloway, state your name.
Deshaun Galloway.
All right. Day is the date and time set for a formal hearing. Is Officer Drake here?
He was here, Judge.
All right.
But we reached an agreement in this.
Yeah, I got you.
Okay.
I was going to give him an opportunity to put his information on the record. So what's the deal going to be?
Count 3-1 is going to be amended to blockading traffic, and 3-2 is going to be dismissed.
Davis, what's your P number?
76203.
Yeah,
Blocking traffic?
Yeah, impeding or blockading.
All right. You want to take the deal? I can't imagine you don't. You want to take the deal, Mr. Galloway?
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an act of factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes.
Find your client responsible as to the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. When can you pay it, Mr. Galloway?
Thursday.
All right. Pay it by the 9th. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, Mr. Galloway, be safe and best of luck to you, okay?
I think.
All right, Mr. Davis, anything else?
No, thanks, Judge.
All right, good to see you. Happy New Year, and I'll see you soon.
Happy New Year.
And Attorney Calvert, are you ready?
I am, Your Honor. Yes, thank you.
Who is your client?
David Ortega.
Is David Ortega here?
No, I do have authority to act on his behalf, if that's okay.
No.
It's just a traffic matter.
Very well.
Thank you.
City of Detroit versus David Ortega, case number SP 1833891, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Danny Calabit appearing on behalf of David Ortega.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a formal hearing. What about Trooper? Is that Officer El-Yamani? Is he here still? All right. What did you work out?
Your Honor, I worked out it'll be a plea to 2 blockading traffics.
2 blockading traffics.
Yes.
All right. And your retained counsel will have the authority to enter into any agreement on your client's behalf, correct?
Correct.
Okay, Officer El-Yamani, good morning to you. I hope I pronounced your name right.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Officer Yemeni, Detroit Police, badge number 544.
All right, good morning to you. All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Yes.
Stipulate the probable cause. Oh, okay, with those stipulations, you're gonna enter 2 blocking traffic. I'll find your client responsible for the 2 counts of blocking, amended counts of blocking traffic, $175 a piece. I'll give your client until January 20th to pay it. All right.
I appreciate it, Your Honor. Thank you very much, and thank you, Officer.
Thank you.
What's your P number, counsel?
A P number, I'm sorry.
57037.
I'm sorry. Okay, best of luck to you. Be safe out there, officer. We'll see you both soon, I'm sure.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
Thank you, Officer.
All right. Are we back on Germany?
Yes, Your Honor, I provided his contact information in the chat.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Germany. Mr. Germany, I am going to, like I said, I'm going to appoint an attorney for you. And I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by the next court date, then I will get one appointed to you on the spot on that date, okay?
Okay.
All right. There's nothing further, sir. I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day. See you back on the 23rd.
At what time on the 23rd?
At 8:30.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome. India Lewis, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning to you, ma'am. This is Detroit versus India Lewis, case number U67130-823. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Lewis, please state your name for the record.
India Lewis.
All right. Were you asked, Happy New Year to you. Were you assigned an attorney the last time? Were you here before?
I was here before, but no one contacted me.
So we're gonna need an attorney on that. Check that file and see if it's that appointment of attorney form has been filled out.
Okay.
Sure it has. All right, give me a minute, ma'am. Let me pass that map.
Okay.
Brianna G. Brianna G.
Yeah, it was filled out.
Yes, sir.
Okay, nobody contacted her.
I'm contacting.
Thank you. Good morning to you, ma'am. Happy New Year. What does the G stand for?
Gross, sir.
Gross. Hold on. City of Detroit versus Brianna Gross. Can you run her license, please? Case number SP 181-85771. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Brianna Gross.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Miss Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. Mr. Berry, let's go back on the record with Mr. Luckett. Mr. Luckett, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to blocking traffic for the failure to stop at a stop sign. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Luckett?
Yes, sir.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Hey, here.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
Find your client responsible as to the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. When can you pay it, Mr. Luckett?
The court give me about 30 days.
February 6, 2026. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's nothing further, have a safe New Year, sir, and I wish you the best of luck, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. Take care.
You as well.
Bye.
Can you license, please, this one coming out? Did you run Brianna G's license?
No, I can't.
And run that one too. Gross, yeah, Gross, and then McWilliams. This is the city of Detroit versus Brent Reginald Carlisle McWilliams. Case number SP 1555-1591. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. McWilliams.
Brent Reginald Carlisle McWilliams Watley.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Officer Fitzgerald Harris, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Put your name. Happy New Year to you. And Happy New Year to you, Mr. McWilliams. Put your name, badge number, department on the record, please.
Yes, Officer Fitzgerald Harris, badge 1442, Detroit Police Department.
All right, day's date and time set for a trial. I'm just running the license. Mr. McWilliams, how's your license?
I believe it's suspended. I'm working on getting it unsuspended right now.
Go in the breakout room, Mr. Berry, give Mr. McWilliams an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
All right.
You're on that 5355 number, correct? He's in the room. We'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gross. Ms. Gross, I'm going to dismiss your case for providing a valid documentation. If there's nothing further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Happy New Year, and be safe.
Be safe, Your Honor. Thank you very much. Happy New Year.
Thank you. I got so much room, I don't know what to do with it. All right, where's Gross's phone?
Morning, sir.
You gave me Gross's phone.
Hey, man, I don't have no, understand.
All right, did I print that out? I'll print the summary out.
It's in there.
Take my place, okay? No. He's gonna be around the corner upset, not Scott building.
Yeah, go ahead.
So, no, that's good.
No, you said Gross got his mixed with one.
Yes. Oh, you're right. Yes, we go. All right. All right. Next up is Goodman, Tia Goodman. Are you there, ma'am?
You already printed that.
Yes.
I got it.
This is the city of Detroit versus Tia Goodman, case number SP1.
Oh, okay, there you go.
88153. Appearance for the record, please. Her driver's license gotta be good.
Yeah,
drive-
mine was always good.
I just
Yes.
didn't have it on me at the time.
Please, you got it. All right, appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Ms. Goodman, please state your name.
Tia Goodman.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Day is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
For the purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrant be recalled.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Is it good?
Yes.
All right, you still owe, case is gonna be dismissed. Ms. Goodman does have a valid driver's license. But you still owe the court some money on some old tickets, ma'am.
I understand, Your Honor.
And you and I share a birthday.
Birthday twin. We're Libras, the best sign.
Except about 35 years apart. No, 30. So I'm gonna dismiss the misdemeanor. And then you have to pay the civil infractions because they're too old for me to set aside.
Okay. How is there a time frame of when I need to have those paid by?
I mean, I'm sure at some point they're gonna come back to you civilly for the money. So you probably want to either pay it or set up a payment plan.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Best of luck to you, ma'am. Be safe. Have a very good rest of your day.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. All right. City of Detroit versus Tommy Malik Gardner. Case numbers SP 1807506, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1807521. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Tommy Gardner.
All right. Good morning to you, sir.
For purposes of arraignment,
Good
my
morning.
client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrant be recalled.
All right, I'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. I wouldn't have any issue with allowing Mr. Gardner be heard on the improper equipment, disregarding the device sign, and passenger seatbelt if the city has no objection to setting those defaults aside. Mr. Gardner, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Is Tommy Gardner on the, why don't I see him on here? Oh, I see. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
All right. Mr. Malafat, I didn't see you join the room. I'm sorry. Are you ready on Gil, or do you need to speak with her?
I didn't judge. I'm on a phone, so I don't have a copy, or I can't see whether or not Ms. Gill is in a breakout room or not. But if she is, I would just appreciate being placed in a room.
Your Honor, I apologize for interrupting.
Hold
I
on
just
a
spoke
second.
with Judge Carter on that, and she has a.
Hold on a
I
second.
apologize. Oh, go ahead.
Mr. Barton, hold on.
Oh, my apologies.
It's room 6. All right, Mr. Barton.
Yes, again, my apologies for interrupting, Your Honor. Judge Carter just informed me that Ms. Gill and Ms.
No, Ms. Gill was already with Malafat. He needs to correct that.
I have no problem. No problem, Your Honor. I'm just going off of what she said. So that was Gill and then Tiara.
Grant. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Grant.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. My apologies again for interrupting.
That's all right. Go to room 7, Ms. Grant. Ms. Hernandez, good morning. I don't know if he's ever showed. Let me find out who this is on the iPhone.
Thank you.
On the iPhone, good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself? Start your camera. Hey, good morning to you. What is your name, ma'am?
Hey, Isha Lori.
You said Love?
Lori, Laury. I'm sorry, I'm at work.
Laurie. Say that again. I'm sorry.
Keisha Lori, Laury.
Okay, I see. You're at work?
Yes, I am.
All right.
I can still talk though.
Pardon me?
I said I can still talk.
Who's talking? Mr. McWilliams. Let's go back on the record with Mr. McWilliams. All right, have you already spoken to Mr. Berry?
Yeah, I just talked to him.
All right, what is Mr. McWilliams gonna do?
Mr. McWilliams would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to failure to display.
All right, you can come on in, hang the phone up and come on in, Mr. McWilliams.
Okay.
Do I have his crown?
It's right.
Okay. All right, step up, sir. Good morning to you. Good morning. You want to take this deal? Yeah. All right. Raise your right hand, please. You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth? Yes, sir. All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines? Yes, sir. You filled out this, you read and signed this advice of rights form, did you not? Yeah. Did you understand it? You have any questions about it? No, sir. You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give these rights up? Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record? No, sir. You work for Ford. Yes, sir. Why don't you have a license?
I had a lot of tickets and when I was just moving, I had a lot going on with that 2 years.
How long have you been working for Ford?
Oh, wow.
How many years?
Probably about 11 years.
11 years. Makes no sense, does it? Makes no sense. I worked for Ford for 26 years, but so I know what you get paid.
I was laid off too.
I was laid off too. 11 years, you weren't laid off 11 years. And when you were laid off, you were getting paid 95%.
I got a lot going on.
Come on now, don't point to her. She's already said.
It's her birthday today.
Happy birthday. And you got, this is how you have to spend your birthday, huh? Yes, this morning. I'm saying it just doesn't make sense. It's almost equivalent to like one of those NFL or NBA players not having a driver's license, right? How you don't have a driver's license? I can even see them. They move from city to city, and you get.
I moved from city to city. Like Detroit, Lincoln Park, Alabama.
No, that's the state. All right, let me draw your attention way back to February 21st, 2025. Let me see. Let me see what's going on here. Have you gone to the Secretary of State?
Yeah, I went to the Secretary of State. They told me I had a hole. I came up here. They looked at the hole. Like I've been trying to get it back.
So when did you go to the Secretary of State?
October. November.
And what was the hole?
I don't recall. I just got the hole taken off in November. I came up here and got it taken
All right, let me draw your attention back to February 21st, 2024, around 8:04 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Fort and Stocker. You have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department.
I guess I don't remember this, but yeah, apparently.
You don't remember 2023 Chevrolet, Fort and Stocker. They say you were,
Yeah, I was on my way to work. Yeah.
and they say you were speeding 64 miles an hour in a 35.
Yeah, I was late. You remember them days?
I don't. If I did, I didn't get caught. You know what I'm saying? I'm
never a cop over there.
I know, but it doesn't matter whether there's a cop over there. It's just I'm a punctual person. I gotta be, and my son is the same way. On time.
I was
No,
getting lunch for my team. I wasn't even late for work. I was leaving.
you just got excuses.
I was doing a favor for my team.
You just got excuses. That's all you have with no license. I hope you have some money. You got some money today?
Yeah, I'm paying it right.
All right, then that's cool. All right, so do you remember getting pulled over?
Yeah, I do.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yeah.
Couldn't do it, could you?
No, I didn't have my wallet.
Because you didn't have your wallet. Not because you didn't have a license
I
either.
also didn't have, but I didn't have
Right.
identification because I didn't have my wallet.
Right. You didn't have a driver's license. And I bet you if Ford told you had to have a valid driver's license to keep that job, you had to get one.
You get one.
Find you guilty of the amended count of failure to display. $240 will be the fine. Go downstairs and pay it now. He said he's got the money today. All right.
You need to take it now.
All right. She'll get you the paperwork. Happy birthday to you. Handle your business. How is this your first child? Second?
My first one is 16, so it's a 16.
So big and all right. He's about to get a driver's license. He can take his dad to work and stuff, right? All right. All right. Best of luck to you. Happy New Year to you. And congratulations. Hey, let us know about the baby. All right. We'll pray for a healthy one. All right. Is what else do we have?
So he's not gonna wait for the paperwork?
Yeah, you need to tell him. Who are we ready on? Mr. Barton, are you ready?
Yes, if I may, Your Honor, I think we're good on both individuals. And then the question on Mr. Lopez, who has yet to appear, we've reached out. We're just gonna
I
ask
don't know
if we
where
can adjourn.
Lopez is. Lopez.
We're hoping to avoid a warrant for him. Maybe we could just adjourn and give him another shot to appear.
Where's Green's file?
I'm gonna go down around.
Where's Grant's file?
Sierra Grant?
Yeah, I thought I had that. Oh, that's the one we call them. All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Sierra Grant. Miss Grant, sorry about the delay, ma'am. Mr. Barton, put your name on the record. Put your appearance on the record, please.
Yes, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court. Darnell Barton, P 83363 on behalf of Miss Sierra Grant. Ma'am, may you state your name only for the record, please?
Sierra Grant.
Thank you.
All right.
Your Honor.
So Ms. Grant, you're in good hands with Mr. Barton. What are you gonna do? What does your client want to do?
Your Honor, I'm going to ask for a moment to request discovery from Madam Prosecutor, and then we'll just come back. Worst case scenario, we'll set a trial date, but as of right now, we just want to adjourn and get discovery.
Let's give you a pretrial date of January 23rd, 2026. Ms. Grant at 8:30. If it's nothing further, yes.
I apologize for interrupting. I'm out of the country the last 2 weeks of January.
One of them jet setting lawyers. All right. What do you, Arden?
I'm available the next week. It's the one time I leave, right? I've been here all year, Judge. But
out of the country.
That first week of February, I'm available. I'm also the 4th. If the court is available on the 4th, if that would please the court.
Let's say February 2nd. You say the 4th is not good. That's our community court date.
Yep, the second will work, Your Honor, if that will please the court.
All right, February 2nd. All right, where are you headed out the country?
My wife has a conference in Puerto Rico, so I'm gonna be a trophy husband out there acting like I'm doing something. But I'm like, yeah, I'll go. Yeah, sure.
I bet you.
Right? I'm like, you
If it's
need
nothing further, Miss Grant, be safe. February the 2nd. That's my brother's birthday.
Can I interrupt, Judge? I'm sorry.
Why?
I'll be coming back from out of town on the 2nd. I'll be at the airport probably.
Another jet setter. All right.
I'm sorry.
February 3rd.
Okay, I can do the 3rd. I come on the 2nd.
All right. Best of luck to you, Miss Grant.
Thank you so much. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year too. What about Roderick Lewis? Are you ready on Roderick Lewis?
We are, same situation, Your Honor, just requesting discovery.
All right, you have to pull him out of the, I'll try to pull him out if he sees it.
Okay, I can go in there and grab it.
I think I printed that one.
Seven.
Yes. City of Detroit versus Roderick Lewis, case number SP180888951. Appearance for the record, please.
Please, this honorable court, Darnell Barton, P 83363 on behalf of Mr. Roderick Lewis. Sir, can you state your name only for the record, please? Mr. Roderick Lewis, can you unmute and state your name for the record? Just tap the microphone.
Roderick Lewis.
Thank you, sir. Your Honor, same situation, date and time for pretrial. We're respectfully asking for an adjournment to receive discovery.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Lewis. Happy New Year to you. I'm going to give you a pretrial date on February 3rd, 2026 at 8:30. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Thank you,
Your Honor. Mr. Roderick, I'll be in touch with you soon.
Thank you.
All right. And then you
interpreter.
only have Guillermo Lopez.
That's correct, Your Honor.
I can leave.
Yes, sir.
You can leave.
Thank you.
All right. If you can, just check back in a minute because I have Ms. Hernandez waiting on Mr. Lopez as well.
Will do, Your Honor.
All right. City of Detroit versus Tierra Gill, case number SP1807063, counts 1 and counts 2, and Z8098491. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tim Malafide, P72339, on behalf of Ms. Gill. Ms. Gill, please state your name for the record.
Tierra Gill.
Okay, good morning to you, Ms. Gill.
Morning.
Time set for a pretrial. I did hear, we did check Ms. Gill is doing well on her bond and following the orders of the court, so that's good. What are we gonna do with the case?
Your Honor, at this time, we're asking just for the briefest of adjournments. We imagine that this is going to be a plea. The only thing that I need to talk to the prosecutor about, as well as to perhaps the folks in probation, is that she has a unique situation of being located both in Roanoke, Virginia, but also on occasion here. And so we have to make sure that we can make everything situate right before we take that plea.
Why don't we just set a trial date on January 23rd, 2026 at 9 a.m.
Certainly, Your Honor. Because we'll have it together before then. We just need to talk some things out.
Very well, Ms. Gill. Happy New Year to you, and we'll see you back January 23rd. I wish you the best of luck. Okay.
And Your Honor, I apologize. I didn't place it on the record. P72339.
All right.
Seven what?
72339.
Thank you.
You're quite welcome. 23rd, Your Honor.
Happy New Year to you, Mr. Malva. Pardon me?
The 23rd.
The 23rd.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Mr. Berry, do you have anyone?
I do not, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Francesca Griffin. Case numbers SP 18220031, SP 18220005, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Alfred S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name.
Francesca Griffin.
All right, good morning to you, Ms. Griffin. Today is the date and time, and Happy New Year to you, set for a pretrial. Mr. Berry, I'm gonna get Ms. Griffin, thank you, I want to get Ms. Griffin an updated offer. Keep in mind, Ms. Griffin, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. You let us, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Mr. Berry. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter. Did we find an attorney for India Lewis?
She's working on it.
All right.
Send her a message.
All right, we're just waiting on an attorney now.
Your Honor, is there a breakout room for the officers?
Yeah, I'll put you in one. Good morning to you, Corporal Baker.
Your Honor. Good morning, Your Honor. How was your holidays?
As well. How about yours?
Can't complain. I just got back from Chicago. Watched the Lions kick some little butt on their way out.
Yeah, on their way out is the operative word, out of the playoffs.
Right.
Hey, I'll put you in the breakout room. You went to the game?
No, we just hit their bars down there.
Yeah,
I probably would have won if it was a chance they could go to the playoffs.
Right. Playoff game team, right? Yeah, but it didn't do it.
Yep.
All right, I need an attorney.
Hey, Your Honor, do Monet Gardner have an attorney?
Pardon me?
Monet Gardner, do I have an attorney with me?
Did you get it? Who asked for an attorney the last court appearance? Anybody asked for an attorney the last court appearance and did not get a call from one?
I didn't.
I didn't.
Your Honor.
Raise your hand so I can see. Raise your hand so I can see who those people are. I'm in the chat. Raise your hand on the Zoom.
Oh, how you do that? You go to the chat right
Go
there.
down to the
Click
raise
where it
your
say
hand.
more. Click where it say more, and then raise your hand
Oh, okay.
at the bottom.
All right, let's grab these files and we'll see all of this.
Call my name.
Not yet. So I'm gonna print these out. We already have India Lewis.
Excuse me, Your Honor. What if you put us in a breakout room last time? Was that the attorney that we were speaking with?
Not necessarily. I'm gonna look at your file. It should be in your file. All right, I'll print them out. Miss Lorraine, you didn't ask. She didn't need an attorney last time.
You printed
You
her.
say Lori or Lorraine?
Lori.
Lori. Well, I don't know if I needed an attorney last time. He just told me the pre-trial, just come to the pre-trial.
I know. I'm looking at your cases. Those wouldn't have been a case where. Joseph Gaston.
Yeah.
Gaston. Monet Gardner, if you got an attorney, you lost yours because you missed your court dates.
I was gonna say the only ticket paper I had was the one for January 6th. I did see it said that I was supposed to appear for December 25th, but I didn't get no paper. I only had the one for January 6th.
All right. I still don't see Mr. Lopez, Ms. Hernandez. If you want, let me find out if this person on the telephone at 313-285-4171. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
My name is Marquez Givens.
Marquez Givens?
Yes, Givens. Yes, sir.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Savannah Green.
I'm right here.
Pronunciation of your name, sir. Or ma'am.
Saviana Green. You was talking to me.
Take your
I'm
hood off.
Saviana Green.
Okay. City of Detroit versus 09781. That's a review. I have that. Up here, your name for the record, please, Ms. Green.
Saviana Green.
All right. You were ordered to pay $240 and you never paid it.
What is that pertaining?
Pardon me?
I said, what is that pertaining?
What does it pertain to? Do you had this over the marijuana limit? There was 3 months ago you pled to this.
Yeah, that they already had set me up for a payment plan for that. That's what you talking about?
Not in the system.
Oh, I just went up there and paid yesterday morning. I don't know how it's not in the system. I went on Russell Street to be exact.
And you have a disregard and a red signal. No, what I'll do is you're gonna go to that pre-hearing on the 8th.
Yeah, but this was supposed to be for my probation. That court date that you talking about is a whole different other court date though.
All right, listen, you never paid the $240. You never got into a payment plan either. When are you gonna pay the $240?
That's what they put me on a payment plan, sir.
You're not on the payment plan. If it was on the payment plan, I would see it.
So what did I pay? What did I pay for then yesterday?
I don't know. That's up to you to know.
I went to court for the $240 that you talking about. They put me on the payment plan. This is what I'm telling you, sir.
Here we go again. I heard what you said. If you were in a payment plan, I would see it here on the system. I don't see it here. I don't know where you went. I don't know what you paid. I don't know any of that. All I see is that they still say you owe $240. And I know that I gave you 3 months to pay. So when did you come down here and supposedly get into a payment plan?
Sir, I talked to my probation officer and that's what she told me. So I went to Russell Street.
So you didn't come down anywhere and get into a payment plan.
I did. I came to
You
34
must be
districts.
confused. Wait a minute. You must be confusing this case with some other case you have in another jurisdiction.
No, sir. I went to 30 Cents District Court. They sent me to Russell Street yesterday morning.
That's not here.
That's what 36 District sent me to. They sent me to Russell Street to pay the payment plan, sir.
Well, I don't, listen, I'm not gonna keep going back and forth with you. All I need to know is when are you gonna have, do you have $240 now?
No, I do not, sir. I will have to make another payment plan.
All right, you need to come down. I didn't put you on probation. There should not be a probation officer for this case. You need to come down here and get into a payment plan. And so you're gonna have to bring it, I think 20% they want to get into the payment plan. When you get, if and when you get into that payment plan, then I will see it on the screen that you're in a payment plan. I'm gonna set another review date for 1 more month for you to get it together and figure out what you need to do. I've told you what you need to do. You have to figure out how you're gonna do it. I'm gonna mark the file this time, allow payment plan. So February 6th, by February 6th, come back in at 8:25 in the morning. Make sure either one is paid at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload to DivDat app to your phone, or 2, come on down on or before February 6th and get into the payment plan. You need to come down to the window downstairs at the cashier. And if you need to get into a payment plan, they can direct you on how to do that. All right. All right, and you have a pre-hearing on the 8th, 2 days from now, on Thursday, for that traffic that disregarding a red signal in 218. If you didn't know that already, all right.
Yes, I know that.
At 10 a.m. All right. If there's nothing further, Ms. Green, Happy New Year to you. I'll see you back on the 6th of February.
They don't have an appointment sheet. I don't know if they requested an attorney. It's not in.
Well, they probably didn't. Because she's very good about putting those on there. Not yet. We'll just wait. Some people just raise their hand just to raise their hand.
No, I didn't.
Your matter set for trial.
I was in the breakout room, but I never spoke to one in direct with no one person.
All right, give me a minute.
Okay.
I'm waiting on a lawyer. That's what I'm waiting on now.
I'm cool. Okay, Your Honor.
Do I submit a request for another attorney?
Who's that?
Monet Gardner.
Monet Gardner.
That was talking.
Oh, shit. I don't know. Yeah, you missed your court date. So if you have to wait on another attorney.
You need to stop at today.
If not necessarily, we'll see. We'll let her speak with. Everybody's going to get a chance. Everybody's going to get a chance to speak to an attorney today, regardless of whether you were requesting an appointed attorney or not last time.
Okay.
We need Miss Horn. We're waiting on Miss Horn. Do you have her contact information? Horn, the city attorney. I don't know what Miss Hernandez. If you want to come back and check back in, you're more than welcome, and you're welcome to stay. But I don't think Mr. Lopez is going to show. He usually shows, but I don't think he's going to show.
Okay, I'll be here.
All right.
Hey, Judge, somebody just invited me to the breakout room, but nobody was there.
All right, give me a minute, please. Is so is Miss Oliver, are you here? Shantanique Oliver?
She in the waiting room. Letting her right now.
All right, good.
Judge, can you give me a moment before we go to the next case?
All right.
Oh, thank you.
Well, I got Miss Oliver here, right? You have to go right now?
We can go with Miss Oliver, thanks.
All right, Miss Oliver, are you there? This is the city of Detroit versus Shantanique Monique Oliver, case number SP 17555-821. Miss Oliver, good morning to you. Happy New Year. State your name for the record, please.
Shantanique Oliver.
All right, there's date and time set for a review. I'm going to dismiss your case. You paid, ma'am. Be safe and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you. Have a good one.
You as well. You can go ahead.
Thanks, Judge. Be right back.
Thank you. Did Santiago Gonzalez get his? Did he have an appointed attorney? Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Somebody's here for Daryl Green. I thought, did you have an attorney already? Yeah, somebody was here for you. Who was that? That was Ogletree. Is that Ogletree client? Where's Ogletree?
Yeah, that's his name.
Well, he's waiting on the city attorney. All right. You can rejoin that room you were in if you want to wait in there. That's Ogletree. He's down there. Yeah, he's got you in there now. All right.
Coffee.
You know what they put it on?
You can't pick this up. Over here.
Who is it?
I don't.
Okay, what's the comment?
Attorney Barry.
Mr. Berry, are you ready on Miss Griffin?
Ready, Your Honor.
Oh, you go. You need to speak to her.
No, yeah, Attorney Barry. So this number that you dropped in the chat, is this Griffin who? Who is this?
That's for Francesca.
Okay. Can you chat it to me, M. Ramsey?
All right. let's go back on the record with Ms. Griffin. Ms. Griffin, I've given you an opportunity to speak. Also, counsel, your client wants a appointed attorney.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Green, you have to be quiet and mute yourself, please. All right, need appointed attorney. That's what you want, Ms. Griffin?
Yes, please.
I'm gonna set a pretrial date for the 23rd at 8:30. I'm gonna ask you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, if there's nothing further, ma'am, we'll see you back on the 23rd.
You said February 23rd?
Oh, are you back? Miss, hold on a second. Miss Williams Law, are you back?
Okay, Attorney Barry,
Thank you.
so this grant, the number that you got, is that for Sierra Grant or who is that?
Francesca Grant.
Francesca Griffin.
Griffin, I'm sorry.
Right, you put Griffin in right now, but at 926 you put Grant. Who is that? Grant who?
That was Sierra Grant.
Okay, thank you.
And that's the one that Barton.
So we don't need that one.
No, we don't need that one. We don't need that one. We just need Griffin. All right, we have to wait till the court reporter comes back.
Okay.
I'm back, Judge.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Griffin. Ms. Griffin, I'm gonna give you a pretrial date of January 23rd at 8:30. I need you to answer calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Best of luck to you, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too, thank you.
All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Keisha Laurie. Case number SP 1822923, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Laurie.
Aisha Laurie.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial, Mr. Berry. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room, Ms. Laurie, with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you do not like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. When you see the prompt, join the room and let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
I will pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Tommy Gardner. Mr. Gardner, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do? Oh, Ms. Harris. Mr. Gardner, have you spoken? Go back in that waiting room. Ms. Harris is that breakout room. Ms. Harris is coming in to see you. Ms. Harris, are you ready on Gardner?
Yeah, there's a recommendation. He could admit to an amended count of.
So hold on. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Tommy Gardner. Go ahead, Ms. Harris.
He could admit to the seatbelt violation and they would reduce the disregarding traffic control device to blocking traffic. I do know that at one point when we spoke, he wanted to have these set for formal hearing. Mr. Gardner, how did you want to proceed?
We can do the first thing you said.
I don't know what that is. The first thing you said.
I believe he wants to admit responsibility based on their reduced plea offer, so he wouldn't have any points. Is that what you're saying, Mr. Gardner?
Yeah. Yes. Sorry.
All right. You want to take the deal blocking traffic and a seatbelt violation, sir?
Yes.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf. Ms. Harris,
So stipulated, Your Honor.
stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna find him responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic for the disregarding the traffic control device and as charged to the seatbelt passenger charge. I'm only gonna fine you for $175 for the blocking traffic. When can you pay it?
Can you give me 2 weeks, Your Honor?
I'll pay it by January the 23rd. Pay it by January 23rd. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and wish you the best of luck, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, now. This is the city of Detroit versus Joseph Gaston, case number SP 1810078, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1810247, excuse me, SP 1816851, counts 1, 2, and 3. And then there's two more cases that are set for arraignment on the 23rd. V14027425, V14027525. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherrick Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Joseph Gaston.
All right, good
Purposes
morning.
of arraignment. Sorry. For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. We had Corporal Spidell here, I believe. And then we have Corporal Latch here. I don't see Corporal Spidell right now. Corporal Latch. Okay, good morning, Corporal Latch. Happy New Year to you. Can you put
Good morning,
your
Your Honor. Happy New Year.
department on the record for the court, please?
Yes, sir. Corporal Ronald Latch, badge 3603 with Detroit Police Department's 3rd Precinct.
All right. Day is the date and time set for a trial/formal hearing, and we'll call the date and time set for an arraignment on the other two cases. Ms. Harris, get Mr. Gaston an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Gaston, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter.
Look.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Did I get All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Laurie. Ms. Laurie, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance and registration, and we seek dismissal of these charges.
All right, Ms. Laurie, I'm going to dismiss the cases for providing valid documentation. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you, you too.
All right. This is the City of Detroit versus Gerard Denzel Lanier. Case number is SP 128-1325, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 128-13531, SP 1825295, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lanier.
Good morning, Your Honor. Gerard Lanier.
Good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a pretrial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Mr. Lanier, you're on the iPhone 16. All right. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Let's pass the matter. I'm still waiting on an attorney, Miss Lewis. Are you ready on anybody, Mr. Ogletree?
Ready on Daryl Green. Requesting a bench trial date.
Yeah, Daryl Green. This is the trial date, isn't it? Or no?
I have it scheduled for, when I looked on the ROA, it said it's a pretrial date.
Okay. City of Detroit. I must have the wrong Daryl Green. Let me see. So, Mr. Green, Daryl Green, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
All right,
Yeah.
Mr. Green.
Yes, I'm here.
No, not Terrence Green, Daryl Green. What is your date of birth, sir?
It's February 8th, 1994.
1994. City of Detroit versus Daryl Andrew Green, case number SP 179-32431, SP 179-33101, SP 180-35051. Appearance for the record, please.
Daryl Andrew Green.
Aaron Ogletree, above Mr. Green.
All right. A P number, Mr. Ogletree, for the record.
P number 69167. Sorry about that.
I'm sorry. All right. Good morning to you, Mr. Green. Mr. Green, is that your father, Daryl Andrew Green? Born in
Yeah,
60?
I'm a junior, but they didn't put it on my. I don't know why they didn't put that on my birth certificate. They should have really made me a junior.
Well, sorry, but is your father still around?
As in alive, for sure, yeah.
You know that, but you don't have contact with him, huh?
No, he just be trying to claim me on his taxes. Yeah.
I'm sorry to hear that. Mr. Green, I'm going to set a bench trial date for you for January 23rd, 2026, okay?
All right, thank you.
If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Happy New Year to you.
Same
And have
to
a good. All right.
Thank you.
Who else do you have, Mr. Ogletree?
No, that's the only person. All right, take care.
All right, thank you.
So for India Lewis and Santiago Gonzalez, she said it's Darnell. Attorney Barton.
Is Attorney Burton? Okay, very good. All right, India Lewis, and when soon as you have Attorney Barton, as soon as he comes back, we'll put you in a breakout room. All right, let's call it. Let's call it. You can run Timothy Lawson's license for me, please. Come on. Yeah. India Lewis. City of Detroit versus India Marie Lewis, case number U67130-823. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please this honorable court, Darnell Barton, P83363, on behalf of Miss India Lewis. Ma'am, may you state your name only for the record, please?
India Lewis.
Thank
All right,
you.
good morning to you. Sorry about the delay, Miss Lewis. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Barton and have a conversation with him he'll probably, I don't know if he'll get you an offer today, but he'll talk to you and he can, guys can figure out what you want to do with this case, all right? Your
good.
breakout room 6, Mr. Barton? 5.
5. Yes, sir.
All right, join the room, Ms. Lewis. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
And Your Honor, good morning, Mr. Barton. The people would need co-host also. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Timothy Lawson is expired.
Expired.
The charger is what I'm going on.
All right. I think Galladay, where is Galladay?
Hi, Your Honor. My mom should be like coming in. She's here though. She's on. I just don't know if she's unmuted.
That's Galladay?
Yes. Delilah?
Give me a second. Galladay, is that you?
Oh, wait, is it Delilah or Carly?
Delilah.
That's Carly.
That's you. It's 2 Galladays?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh.
Delilah is here. I'm asking her to mute.
Are you related?
Yes, that's my mom.
Oh, hi, I'm here. Sorry.
Hello.
Hi.
Good morning. Happy New Year to both of you.
Yeah, Happy New Year to you too.
For Delilah Galladay.
Yeah.
That is one of these cases where it can't get any worse. It can only do better or stay the same. If you need me to get somebody to explain that to you, I can, but I can just set you a trial date if you want to.
Why would I need a trial date?
I'll let you speak to the attorney. And then your daughter, I don't see your daughter on here.
Your Honor, we're seeking for dismissal.
All right, let me let you speak to the attorney, okay?
Okay. And then do we have to come back on?
No, just sit tight. You don't have a case, do you, Miss Gal?
So that's the thing I've been trying to.
No. Just answer the question. It's just that I got
Yes or
your
no?
mother here. If you don't have a case, then unless you have some proof for your mom, then you don't need to be here. But I'm gonna let your mom speak with the attorney about her case. All right.
Thanks, Carly. Appreciate you. I'll take care of it.
Let me see. You don't have a case, do you, Carly?
No, but the case was supposed to go to me, is what I'm saying. Like I'm trying to either get it dismissed or do a transfer of the case. Like
it doesn't work like that.
And I'll talk to the attorney. Thank you.
Yeah, it doesn't work like that. I know you want to take the rap for your mom, but
It's not taking a rap for me. I'm taking a rap for her. Okay, I'll talk to the attorney. Thank you.
Whatever it is.
I've only been here for 3 hours. I might
Well,
as well.
you gotta wait. So now you want to get smart.
I'll talk to the attorney. Thank you. Oh. Hello.
I'm going to mute your device, Miss Galladay. It's okay.
And Your Honor, the people are just checking to see if Miss Triana Love appeared.
Triana Love? I don't believe so. Miss Love? Who's on that telephone 313-285-4171? That's Gibbons. So no, I haven't seen Triana Love. You can let the officers, you can release the officers.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gadsden. Mr. Gadsden, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, if the court would allow, we would be requesting that everything, even the off-docket matters, be set for a pretrial date. I do understand that Mr. Gaston should be able to come back with valid documentation for a few things.
Have you spoken with the city on that?
I did, Your Honor. She doesn't have an objection to that if the court is willing to do that. There was an offer extended if he wanted to resolve the cases that are on the docket today. But with regards to the V tickets, there wouldn't be an offer today. She would need to speak with her investigators or at least see the tickets.
So why don't we just set another trial date?
That's in the discretion of the court.
Yeah, I mean, he's really trying to get a valid license, right?
Yes, sir.
Come back on the 23rd for trial on all the matters. All right?
Okay.
All right, best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
All right, thank you.
Okay. City of Detroit versus Timothy Allen Lawson. Case number SP 1818946, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lawson, please state your name for the record.
Mr. Lawson, press *6 to unmute yourself, please. Mr. Lawson, press *6 to unmute yourself, please. Sending a prompt.
Hello?
Good morning to you, Mr.
Hello?
Lawson. Name for the record, please.
Timothy Lawson.
All right, good morning. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Lawson, Mr. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Lawson, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with her. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right? He's in there, Ms. Harris. Let's pass that matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lanier. Mr. Lanier, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to the improper equipment and the remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Lanier?
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
With that stipulation, with those stipulations, sir, I'm going to find you responsible as charged to the improper equipment and dismiss the other cases. It's going to be $120. When can you pay?
I was told
Your Honor,
that.
Go ahead.
could we seek community service if the court would permit?
Very well. 6 hours of community service.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I need a good phone number from you, sir.
734-819-4226.
All right. I need you to, I'm going to refer to community service. I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be the community service coordinator. If you don't hear from that community service coordinator in a week or so, I'm going to give you the number to the community service coordinator, and you also have the ability to Zoom back in, and we can see if we can help you facilitate that. But you shouldn't have to call them. They should call you. The number is 965-8130. I'm going to give you until February 6th to complete the community service hours. Just answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that community service coordinator. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day.
You as well, Your Honor. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year as well. This is the City of Detroit versus Delilah Galladay, case number SP 182-03711. Appearance for the record, please.
Oh, that's Barry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Galladay.
Delilah Galladay.
All right. Good morning again to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. I tried to explain to Miss Galladay her options. Mr. Berry, maybe you can do a better job than I can. I'm going to put you in a breakout room, Ms. Galladay. Mr. Berry is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you do not like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Yes, sir.
Join the room. We'll pass the matter.
Where does Ms. Galladay exist on the docket, Your Honor?
Out of allowing. $240 is the fine, and dismiss upon payment. Or she can set a trial date.
It's just
I tried
allowing.
to explain that to her, Mr. Berry. She got smart with me. So I just let you do it. But
lucky
don't get smart. Don't get smart with Mr. Berry. She'll be coming out that breakout room. All right, Mr. Barton, we'll pass the matter. Are we ready on anyone?
Yeah, I'm not getting smart with anyone, for the record, Judge. Yeah. Actually, I just wanted to see if Madam Prosecutor was here so we can maybe discuss something for her.
You have Mr. Gonzalez that they appointed to you. Have you gotten that call yet?
Not Mr. Gonzalez, but okay, we can go into maybe breakout room number 6, if possible. Did they have me Gonzalez?
India, yeah, they have you with Gonzalez. I'm gonna put with Ms. Lewis. Good. So Gonzalez, I'm gonna put you in 6, Mr. Gonzalez. Wait on Mr. Bart, okay? And then Ms. Horn is gonna be in 4.
In 4. Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Let's go to 6. Mr. Santiago Gonzalez, he doesn't need an interpreter then. Ms. Horn, Mr. Barton needs to see you in 4. And that will be the story of you, Django. All right. Lightfoot.
Okay. You would like to sign?
It's up here, yeah.
Somebody should know.
Okay.
Just get it
All right.
straight.
And Your Honor, without interrupting, the people are just checking on two more defendants where officers are here.
And that would be Angel O'Neill is here.
Okay.
I haven't seen Overton, and I haven't seen O'Kenio.
Okay, got it.
Ted Gloucester is here.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Reginald Long, he's set for pretrial though.
Okay.
Angel O'Neill is set for pretrial as well.
I got it set for trial.
You have, a trial. O'Kenyon is set for.
Okay, I'll let Rule and Baker know, and Officer Harris on Gloucester, so they'll stay there. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. And Mr. Barton needs to speak with you in 4, please.
Yes, Your Honor.
That's Richard Gomez. He was here.
Oh.
No, he was here, but he's gone now. He came in. What's Miss Horn before? We'll start getting these people out of here. Ms. Laurie, I see your hand raised. I'm doing the best I can, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Mm-hmm. Are we back on the record with Miss Galladay? I got that phone.
Ready, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Galladay. Miss Galladay, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
We seek a bench trial date, Your Honor.
I was trying to get her out of here sooner, but she didn't understand. Is that what you want to do, Miss Galladay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand now, ma'am?
I do. Thank you.
Very well. January 23rd at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you. Yeah. That gets me down to Lightfoot. This is the city of Detroit versus Nashon Michael James Lightfoot. Case numbers SP 125-4002, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 181-61101. SP 132-0504, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lightfoot.
Is Mr. Lightfoot there? Oh, he gone?
Who was on the phone?
Was he on the phone?
I don't think he was.
No, he wasn't. Let's pass it. I know everybody doesn't mind that. Let's go down to Monet Gardner.
I'm here.
See you, ma'am. Okay, this is Miss Gardner. I believe I've already printed hers out. Printed them. All right, City of Detroit versus Monet Gardner, case numbers SP 138-61501, SP 81701, SP 1619948, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1667171, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1677876, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 173744141. SP 1790875, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1802094, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 181-73861. SP 1115410, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 181-05501. Let me see how old these other ones are.
Oh. And now, ooh.
SP 174. Come on, please be quiet, Ms. Gardner. SP 174-995-3, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lightfoot.
Ms. Gardner, Ms. Gardner.
Ms. Gardner. My apologies.
Monet Gardner.
All right. Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a show cause, Mr. Berry, and we'll call it arraignment on the warrants.
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. So obviously I call a lot more cases than the one that's on the docket into the record. You ready, Mr. Berry?
Ready, Your Honor.
I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 cases into the record. Driving while license suspended. Driving while license suspended. Driving while license suspended. No insurance misdemeanor. Unregistered, untitled misdemeanor. No insurance misdemeanor. Driving while license suspended. No insurance misdemeanor. Driving while license suspended, repeat offender. Driving while license suspended. Expired plates. No insurance proof. Defective equipment. Unsafe manner. No insurance misdemeanor. Unregistered, untitled. Driving while license suspended. Defective equipment. Unregistered, untitled. Driver's license never acquired. And no insurance misdemeanor. And a license improper. And you can include that would be 20 or 22. The other one would be the one on the docket, which is, you see it, driving while license suspended. Ms. Gardner, Mr. Berry is going to attempt to get you an updated offer, and I do not see anything that would affect Ms. Gardner's ability to get a valid driver's license here at the 36th District Court. Mr. Berry's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Ms. Gardner, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Let's pass the matter. We do have a city attorney now, so it should start going a little faster, but. Next up. I have that file. Yeah, those are for the reviews. They never paid.
So they, you put 1/6/26.
I just put because that's the date that they
Okay.
should.
So they getting it.
It's not today's date, right?
That is today. Right, so they getting it.
I don't know what Miss Mathis does.
Okay, I
think she gives them another date.
oh, okay.
This is another one. I have it already. The file.
Okay.
Sure. No.
Man, what is that?
You can check to see if he did his community service. This guy's supposed to do 60 hours of community service. Please. Is Edward Lewis here?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, good morning to you. Do you have a middle name, sir?
Edward is my middle name. My first name is Terrell.
Okay.
Tarrell.
Mr. Jonathan Eric Lucas. I think I have those.
Hello.
Mr. Jonathan Lucas, are you there?
Yes, sir. Hold on one second. I'm having troubles with my phone.
You have valid insurance?
Yes, sir.
Can you show it to the court now?
Hold on one second. I'm trying to get my camera up.
I'm gonna give you a prompt. See if this helps you.
Can you see me?
I can see you. You have a certificate you can show the court? This is City of Detroit versus Jonathan Eric Lucas, case number SP182295991. State your name for the record, please.
Jonathan Lucas.
All right, let's see what you have. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Let's see the date on there. Now hold that sheet up. The one sheet you had. All right, put it closer and raise it up higher, please. I'm gonna call it good. Case dismissed, sir, for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good new year and best of luck to you, all right?
You too, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, it's tripping, yo.
All right, let's Mr. Lewis, Terrell Lewis, Tara, since you have that defective equipment, I don't know what the city is gonna offer you. You have valid insurance?
I got valid insurance right here, and I fixed that. I fixed that light bulb. It was just a light bulb.
City of Detroit, let me see that insurance.
Easy.
City of Detroit versus Terrell Edward Lewis, case number SP1799368, counts 1 and counts 2. State your name for the record, please.
Edward Lewis.
And good morning to you.
Good morning.
I'm gonna dismiss your cases. I'll take your word for it that you fixed the light bulb and I saw valid insurance. Have a good new year, sir. Case is dismissed.
You too.
And best of luck to you, all right?
You. Hey.
All right. Angel O'Neill, I think you're probably going to need to speak with the lawyer. Yeah, you'll need to see, yours is up for trial, so.
Okay.
Give me a minute. Holiday is gone. Law. Nice, Mr. Green. Good morning to you, please.
I'm so sorry, Judge. I didn't hear you.
That's all right. All right. Miss Laurie, good morning to you. Do you have valid insurance and registration?
Kiana Lowry?
Do you have valid insurance and registration, ma'am?
Yes, I do.
Can you show it to the court? Let me see. All right, slide it over a little bit. Okay. Let's see what the insurance looks like.
You see it?
I guess you better have valid insurance on a 2024 Jeep, huh? That's Laurie. I got it. I think I have some. I need to summon. I got the file. Laurie, I got it. City of Detroit versus Kiana Laurie, case number SP 1821505, counts 1 and counts 2. Miss Laurie, good morning. You state your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Kiana Sherelle Lowry.
Well, that's a different car, right?
Yes, but that vehicle was not my vehicle. All I did was drop my niece off around the corner.
All right. But you were driving it. But that's your vehicle, that 2020.
Yes, this is my vehicle. If you look at the name on that vehicle, that is my vehicle.
Miss Laurie.
I understand.
I'm gonna dismiss your case. You showed me insurance in your name. Next time you got to make sure when you get in these cars that they have valid insurance and plates. It's your responsibility to do that.
Yes, Your Honor, I understand.
That I just drove around the corner. You know what that tells me?
I didn't check.
And it tells me if the plates weren't valid, if they're like the police said they weren't, then you just admitted to doing what they said you were doing by talking. Have a good day, man. Best of luck to you. Happy New Year.
Thank you. I have one question. Are they going to send any notifications out? Because they had the wrong address. So do I need to update anything?
No, you won't get a notification for this, but let's make sure we have, are you still on Apple Street?
No.
Do you want to update it now?
Yes, please.
Do you want to put it in the chat or you want to say it out loud?
I can put it in the chat.
Do that. I'll mark it on the file.
Then I just leave after I put it. Oh, it's disabled. I don't know what I'm doing.
I don't know why it's disabled.
I'm gonna try to check you, see if you can check me back.
Okay. Miss Ramsey's gonna try to take care of it for you. She's gonna send you a chat.
Okay, thank you. And I just put it here, then I log out?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you. Have a good New Year, man. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Your Honor, we would be ready on Lawson. I just need the court's assistance with bringing him out of the breakout room.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lawson. Mr. Lawson, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting a trial date.
Is that what you want, Mr. Lawson?
Yes, sir. Only thing I need to do is get to the first where I can afford to get the license to appear up to.
To the first of the month?
Yes, I'm on disability.
Come back on February the 6th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further,
Right.
Mr. Lawson, be safe. I'll see you back on the 6th. Happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year to you too, Judge. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Angel O'Neill, did I get her file? City of Detroit versus Angel Marie O'Neill. Case numbers SP 106-83691, SP 106-83, strike that 8, SP 106-89871, SP 172-4824, counts 2 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please. I don't see her file. Try.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Angel O'Neill.
All right, thank you. Today is the date and time. Good morning to you, Miss O'Neill. Happy New Year to you. Today is the date and time set for a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Miss Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. And corporate rule is here. I didn't see Knapp and Corporal Baker is here. Let's see. Miss O'Neill, join the room and speak to Miss Harris, see if she can help you, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Pass the matter.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you. How could Griffin get completed 60 hours?
He did?
Yeah.
Oh, good. All right, I'll mark it.
Tell me. Wow.
You're on 2 devices, Miss O'Neill?
No, it's just one device.
It seems like you're on 2 different devices. Join that room, please. Deshaun Contrell Graham, good morning to you.
Good morning.
No, let's see. Okay, goodness. Guillermo. No, Guillermo, Miss, I don't know if his number is here. It should be in here. I mean, Mr. Barton should have the number. I wonder if he tried to call him. I'm sure he probably did.
I hope so, because I call him.
Been waiting all this morning and no money yet.
Nope.
It's not good.
Well, I've been busy here.
All right, so 60 hours. All right. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gardner. Ms. Gardner, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date.
All right, that's what you want to do, Ms. Gardner?
Yes.
Trial was going to be the 23rd of January at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay.
If there's nothing further, ma'am, best of luck to you. I'll see you back on the 23rd
At 9 a.m., correct?
at 9 a.m.
Okay, thank you.
Did you get cleared? This is going to be the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry, versus Cottrell Deshaun Graham, case number SP1817197, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Graham. You have to unmute.
Patricia Graham.
Good morning to you, sir. Happy New Year. Today is date and time set for a pre-trial, Mr. Berry. Mr. Graham, Mr. Berry's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
All right.
We'll pass the matter. I'll just write it on the ROA, on the summary.
Ready on O'Neill.
Right, let's go back on the record with, she has to come out of the breakout room. Let's go back on the record with Miss O'Neill. Miss O'Neill, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, it's my understanding my client is going to enter a plea to 2 amended counts of allowing an unlicensed person to drive, with the remaining counts dismissed.
Is that what you want to do, Miss O'Neill?
Yeah.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Where are you?
I'm right here.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I do.
I will make it 1 count of allowing, 1 count of improper plate. That's the same difference. No point of offense, ma'am. It won't abstract to the Secretary of State, and I'll dismiss upon payment. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Draw your attention back to May the 9th. Oh, do you understand? You understand the maximum possible penalty is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to May the 9th, 2025 at around 12:10 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Greenfield and West Otter Drive. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating this 2016 Jeep?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce valid driver's license and insurance.
Yes. Yes.
You could not do either, could you?
No, sir. No, sir.
And why is that?
Because I didn't have it. I didn't have it at this.
Very well. Find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing for not having the driver's license, for a driver's license suspended, and guilty amended count of improper plate for not having the insurance with stipulation of probable cause. I'll dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, I'm only going to fine you for 1, ma'am. Fine you for the 2, allowing $240. Yeah, we'll waive the warrant fee. You have 2 other reinstatement fees you need to pay. So that's $45 a piece. That's for the old tickets. So I'm just concerned about the $240. When can you pay it?
I can pay it if you give me at least 30 days.
All right, come back on February the 6th, 2026 at 8:25 for a review. Make sure it's paid by then. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it, Miss Lewis. If it's nothing further, best of luck to you. Happy New Year to you, and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Be safe out there, Corporal Baker.
No problem, sir.
And Corporal Rule. Who was the other? Corporal Rule, be safe. Let's see, Bianca Lewis. Is Bianca Lewis still here?
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
This is the city of Detroit versus Bianca Natasha Lewis. You have to turn your camera on.
I'm trying.
Case number SP 182-02431. Appearance for the record, please.
Sheriff Harris on behalf of the defendant.
All right, Ms. Lewis, state your name for the record, please.
Bianca Lewis.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Harris, see if you can get Ms. Lewis an updated offer. No, there's not been a request for counsel. See if you can get Ms. Lewis an updated offer. Keep in mind, Ms. Lewis, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Graham. Mr. Graham, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date.
Is that what you want, Mr. Graham? Where's Mr. Graham?
He's in the courtroom. You need to unmute, Mr. Graham.
Go ahead for Mr. Graham.
Yeah, Mr. Graham, you want a trial date, sir?
Yes, sir.
I come back on January 23rd, 2026 at 8:30. If it's nothing, I mean at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, Mr. Graham, be safe and best of luck to you. Wendell Lewis, City of Detroit versus Wendell Lewis, case number SP 1816680, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. Thank you.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lewis.
Wendell Lewis. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is date and time. Mr. Berry set for a pre-trial. Mr. Lewis, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Understood.
Let's pass the matter.
We did, Angel O'Neill's case.
I thought you did. Thank you. Have a good one.
All right. We'll be safe. Happy New Year to you.
Same to you, sir.
Oh, Mr. Green, Terrence Green. Where's Terrence Green? He was here. Terrence Green, you're not supposed to be here until the until Thursday. Terrence Green, you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Good morning to you, sir. Yeah, I see Terrence Terrell Green.
Yes.
On the 8th, on Thursday.
I was supposed to be here Thursday?
Yes, this coming Thursday. You haven't missed it, but you're early.
said I missed the court date?
Oh, you haven't missed it. You came in too early. Come back Thursday morning, all
I
right?
really can't hear you. This van is very loud. I do apologize.
No, you hear me now? You're not supposed to be here till Thursday.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Come back in first thing Thursday morning. I'll try to get you out as soon as I can. I saw that. He doesn't have a file,
No, not, it should be, it's probably downstairs.
huh? Donnell Green? He's here too.
Mayor.
Good morning to you, sir. You're walk-in. Start your video.
I'm trying to right now.
All right, hold on one second. Let's go back on the record. Let's go back on the record with Miss Bianca Lewis. Miss Lewis, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting a trial date.
All right. Trial is January 23rd, 2026 at 9 a.m., Miss Lewis. If it's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's call the city of Detroit. Where's Mark? City of Detroit versus Marquez Arnez Givens. Case numbers SP 161-21911, SP 161-2192, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Mr. Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
You have to press *6 to unmute yourself, Mr. Givens. Mr. Marquez Givens. Press *6. There he is. Oh, no, not yet. Press *6 to unmute yourself. All right. He's not answering. That gets me down, Miss Harris, to Gloucester.
Hello.
He didn't want to miss that.
Hello. I heard everything y'all was saying. I heard everything y'all was saying. The frequency bad out here, big dog. The frequency bad out here.
State your name for the record, sir.
Marquez Givens.
All right. There's the date and time set for a pretrial. I'll put you in a breakout room. Ms. Harris, she's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. He's in the room, Ms. Harris. We'll pass the matter. All right, let's go back on the record with Miss India Lewis. Miss Lewis, giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
There's a whole nother court date. Each court date, they making fucking money.
Hey, wait a minute. I'm about to put you out.
My apologies, Your Honor. I muted that gentleman.
You don't apologize.
But Ms. Lewis would like, understood. Ms. Lewis would like to avail herself of that offer, Your Honor. She's been made aware of her rights as well.
You're gonna plead as charged?
Yes, Your Honor. She's pleading as charged of disorderly conduct under a 3-month delayed sentence.
What does this say? Being hostile while Scout was clearing the area?
Yeah, if I may, Your Honor, that in actuality,
Hold on a second. Do you want to see the ticket as it's written or what?
I'm sorry, Your Honor, you have to.
Mr. Attorney Barton, do you want to see the ticket on here on the above date time? The allegation is I observed the above person being hostile while Scout, I guess, was clearing the area. And it's got something down here that I can't read in parentheses.
Yes, Your Honor. So, if I may, Your Honor, in this particular case, Miss Lewis is going to.
Let me. No, don't start that yet.
Okay.
I want to take the deal.
She does, Your Honor.
All right. And is your client able to make up the factual basis for being a disorderly person?
Yes, Your Honor, we can.
Meaning that she was disturbed the good, quiet nature of the community, and whether that was being loud or whatever.
It was during an arrest. Yes, Your Honor, there was interjection during the arrest of another. Yes.
You want to take that deal, Ms. Lewis?
Yes.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Burton went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did.
You understood those rights?
Yes, I do.
You have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Is this a delayed sentence, Mr. Burton?
Yes, Your Honor, 3-month delayed sentence.
Let me draw your attention back to, was that May the 7th, way back in 2023?
Yes.
At around 2:19 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Lafayette and St. Antoine. Did you have an occasion on that day to be in that area around that date and that time?
Yes.
And were you out there it says being hostile?
Well,
I don't think that was.
One of my friends was in handcuffs. I came out of the bathroom. We were celebrating Nurses Week. I'm a registered nurse. I came
All
out.
right, so let me stop you. Let me stop you.
Yeah.
To make it simple, if you don't feel that you cause a disturbance that meets the elements, then set a trial date.
Right.
Because if you're trying to explain this to me,
Oh, I thought you were asking what happened. Yeah.
No, I know, but what I'm saying is, I'm trying to see if you want to just admit to this, you can.
Right.
If you're saying that you're being hostile, if you're saying that you're causing a disturbance, then did you cause a disturbance out there? If not, then take it to trial and make them prove you're guilty.
This is what we discussed, Ms. Lewis. So
yeah.
I don't see what the big
Yeah.
I get. I was being hostile.
Are you
so? Go ahead. Go ahead.
No,
and answer.
Are you sure you would like to take this plea, Ms. Lewis? That's all. The court is just trying to protect your interests as well as I am trying to do so as well. We just want to make sure that you're okay with taking this plea. And that you can prove that. Okay. All right. There you go, Your Honor.
And you were out there so hostile that you caused a disturbance, right? See,
yes. I asked the question, so I don't know. I guess that's being hostile. So.
All I'm doing is asking questions. The elements of disorderly conduct are that you disturb by your actions, disturb the good, quiet nature of the community, and therefore, that's the elements of disorderly conduct.
Okay.
Are you, so again, he's being very clear. Are you sure, Ms. Lewis, you do not want to go to trial and have the officer prove these elements? That's what the court is asking.
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay. All right. So then the judge is going to ask you again, if at that date and time you were hostile towards if you were hostile and that disturbed the peace, or if it was disorderly in some form or fashion.
Yes.
Okay.
All right. Well,
would that satisfy the court?
That satisfies the court. I'm going to make sure that the 351 disorderly conduct. It shall be unlawful for any person to make or assist in making any noise, disturbance, or improper diversion, or any riot, route by which the peace and good order of the neighborhood is disturbed. And that actions on that day. Do you agree? You agree that your actions violated that ordinance on that day? Is that correct, as I read it?
Yes.
All right, find your client guilty as charged. $240 will be the fine. It'll be a 3-month delayed sentence. And I'll give you until, we'll come back on May the 6th, April the 6th, 2026 at 8:25. If it's paid and you don't get any other trouble like this, we'll dismiss the case, all right?
Okay.
The best of luck to you, Ms. Lewis. Have a very good rest of your day. Happy New Year to you.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you. Have a good day, Ms. Lewis.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Who else do you have? I'm sorry. Who else do you have, Mr.
I have Mr.
Santiago.
Gonzalez.
Yeah. City of Detroit versus Santiago Gonzalez. Case number SP180-65731, SP180-65732. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please this honorable court, Darnell Barton, P83363, on behalf of Mr. Santiago Gonzalez. Sir, can you state your full name for the record?
Yes, it is Santiago Gonzalez.
Thank you, sir. Your Honor, today's the date and time for pretrial. The people were gracious enough to offer Mr. Santiago a 6-month delayed sentence if he pled as charged to the littering charge, and the remaining charge.
That's not a delayed sentence. That's a civil infraction.
For the littering,
So
they have it as a misdemeanor, Your Honor. Give me 1 second. I apologize. I'll pull it up.
And Tamika Horn on behalf of the people, P70303. Yes, Mr. Barton, sometimes they are civil infractions, so it will
they
be
put
as
it as
written. Yeah, but I know we're used
gotcha.
to seeing it as a misdemeanor often. Thank you, Your Honor.
I apologize. Thank you. I pulled it up on the thing and it shows something. So my apologies. Okay, so then should he be so then I think we should flip it to the loud noise with the 6-month delayed and then dismissing.
Unless she wants him to just pay the $770 for not picking his trash to his fireworks up.
Madam Prosecutor, would that please would that work? Because I think that would work for him. He's I think this was just dealing with a firework situation.
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely.
Thank you. So, Mrs. Gonzalez, essentially what the judge is saying that you plead to the littering and you pay that $170 as a civil infraction. Does that make sense, sir?
Yes.
Would you like to avail yourself of that offer?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
I'm at court.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for
So
that
stipulated.
responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated. Thank you, Your Honor.
It's a probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated. Thank you.
Find your client responsible as charged. Mr. Santiago, you need to pick up your trash, all right?
Well, it's been picked up and will be in the future. Thank you.
All right, $170. When can you pay it?
This Friday.
January 9th. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload to DivDat app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor. Happy holidays and Happy New Year.
You as well. Thank you as well. Thank you. Mr. Lewis, don't watch your mouth.
Yes, sir.
So you're claiming that all this is what did you say?
I can't even recall, sir.
You can recall. You don't have to put the extra in there. What did you say?
I actually was talking to my wife about something she was commenting on. I didn't even.
And you were
I was just,
talking about the proceedings today.
yeah, I was just responding to what she was saying. That was all.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Wendell Lewis. Mr. Berry, what's going on?
We seek a trial date, Your Honor.
So no, that's what he said. He said this effing keep on coming back, or he said something like that.
No, I didn't say anything like that for sure.
Nah, I'm
I don't
crazy.
think that was me. That might have been somebody else. I don't think that was me, Your Honor. I didn't think you were saying nothing like that.
All right. So he wants a trial date.
Yes, Your Honor.
You have an issue with coming back?
No, sir. I don't have an issue at all.
January 23rd, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Happy New Year to you. Best of luck to you.
You as well, sir. Thank you.
City of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Ted Gloucester. Case numbers. And the state of Michigan versus Ted Gloucester. Case number SP 181-9121, counts 1 and counts 2. SX 404, strike that, SX 4607483, counts 1, 2, and 3. And SP 173-879-3, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gloucester.
Ted Gloucester.
It's just a single matter on docket, Your Honor.
No, it's not. That's just that's the one matter. If you look on the trial page, that's 2, 3, 4, 5. Day is the date and time set for trial.
So, okay.
I have 5 on the docket. 7 I called into the record, and I believe it's the well, I don't know. The Officer Woods, are you here? And then Officer Harris, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Harris, badge 1774, Detroit Police Department.
All right, you got to turn your camera on, Officer Harris. All right. Good morning to you. Good morning, sir. It's afternoon now. So what are the other 2? So for some reason, Mr. Berry, the civil infractions did not make it to the docket. I have an expired plate and a no registration.
Okay.
All right. Expired plate, no registration. Today is the date and time set for a trial/formal hearing. Mr. Gloucester, Mr. Berry is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Marquez Givens. Mr. Givens, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
And it's my understanding he is requesting a trial date.
All right, that's what you want to do, Mr. Givens?
Yeah, I'll go ahead and get a police officer a chance to come. Because of chance, I'm going to pay fines anyway if he come or don't come. So I'd rather go ahead and take my chances.
There it is.
Hey. No, I'm just saying. And it's like this game called life is a chess game.
Trial,
for real.
trial, that's what it's all about. Trial date is January 3rd, Mr. Givens. Happy New Year to you.
January what?
January 23rd. Best of luck to you.
That's my son's birthday, man.
So you might get lucky.
Oh, I hope so.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor, man. Thank you. Thank you.
Best of luck to you. You're welcome.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
This is a case that's not on the docket, Ms. Harris. He's walking. This is the city of Detroit versus Donnell Green, case number U7263625. Appearance for the record.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Donnell Green.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Green. The day is in warrant status, Ms. Harris. Purposes of arraignment.
Purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrant be recalled.
It is an EWAP ticket. I'll give him a $0 bond, give him a not guilty plea. Mr. Green, speak to Ms. Harris in the breakout room. She'll attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay.
Mr. Owens, why are you so late?
Judge, my traffic lawyer I had last time told us all this gonna be the same time with the same Zoom ID number.
Yeah, but why are you so late?
Because the last time we hopped on was 1:30.
No.
The first court date I had was 1:30 p.m.
I know the first date you had, but he made up that first
Yeah,
part.
he told me the same time, 1:30.
He made that part up. All right, give me a minute. Happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year.
Do you have a valid license?
Yes.
Run his license, please. Mr. Barton, did you try to call Mr. Guillermo?
We did, Your Honor. There was no answer on this one.
All right, well, that's it. It's gone. All right, thank you.
Sorry,
Okay.
Madam Interpreter.
Yeah, I don't think he's gonna show.
Okay,
tried.
can I disconnect now?
Absolutely, Ms. Hernandez. I didn't mean for you to stay that long, but we'll see you tomorrow.
Yes, I'll be here.
All right, I'll see you. Have a great day.
Thank you, Madam Interpreter. Thank you, Your Honor. I believe that's it for me today.
That's it. All right,
Have a great,
Mr. Barton. Happy
great
New Year
day,
to
guys.
both
Happy
of you.
New Year.
You too, bye-bye. See you tomorrow, everybody. Ciao.
You have a proof of insurance, Mr. Owens?
Yes, sir.
Let me see the insurance.
How I show you?
All right, I'll let Ms. Harris do it. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Green. Mr. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting a pre-trial date.
Pre-trial date is going to be January 23rd, 2026 at 8:30, Mr. Green, okay?
Yes, sir.
Best of luck to you, sir. Be safe, all right? Happy New
All right,
Year.
thank you. Same to you.
Ms. Harris, this is the city of Detroit versus Omar Sharif Owens. Case. No, it doesn't. Case number SP 1390565, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1816021, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
All right, today is date time set for pretrial. Mr. Owens does have a valid driver's license. Congratulations on that. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. No Sharif Owens. No Sharif Owens. Owens. Omar Owens.
No.
All right. The Lightfoot was here, but they didn't. Those are just my notes. He was here. Are we ready, Mr. Berry?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gloucester. Mr. Gloucester, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to improper plates for the no registration charge. That's ending in 1211 at 9 o'clock. The remaining matters, including the matter scheduled at 8:35, to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Gloucester?
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
You have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to October 31st, 2025 at around 2:53 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Grand River and Terry. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
You said October 31st?
Yeah, October 31st, 2:53 a.m.
That was on Jefferson Field.
Sorry, strike that, strike that, strike that. October 31st, 2:53 a.m. City of Detroit, Jefferson and Field. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Operating a motor vehicle?
The car was parked.
Well, were you in a motor vehicle?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So you want to contest that you're operating that? Were you in the driver's seat?
No, I'm cool. I was operating a motor vehicle.
Yeah, but were you in the driver's seat of the motor vehicle?
Yes.
Motor vehicle was running?
Yes.
All right. And officer asked you to produce a valid registration for the motor vehicle?
Yeah.
And you couldn't do so, could you?
No.
And why is that?
That was the car I was working on at the time.
Because you didn't have the registration.
I didn't.
Say that again?
I didn't have
Was that
it yet.
Was that your vehicle? That was your vehicle?
No, it's not my vehicle.
Well, I feel that you're upset that he gave you a ticket. I understand that. Nobody's happy about that. But the statute, I don't have a copy
I
of
understand.
it. Yeah, Do you have a copy of the ticket, Officer Harris?
Not on me, sir, but I mean there is a copy of it somewhere.
Yeah, I mean, it is a computer generated copy, it's just not in the file. But the statute for now, if you were pleading to the no insurance misdemeanor, it would make a difference because if it's not your vehicle, then Officer Harris, you should not have written him as a misdemeanor no insurance. It should have been a no insurance proof civil infraction because he's not required to keep insurance on a vehicle that's not his. He is required, though, to display you insurance no matter whose vehicle it is if he's operating that vehicle.
That's the thing, Your Honor. I mean, at the end of the day, regardless of ownership or not, I mean, you still have to have lawful and verifiable insurance on the vehicle, even if it's not registered.
So we're not gonna debate this, all right? I just told you what the law is.
I'm aware of the law, Your Honor. I enforce it every day, sir.
Yeah, well, obviously not. Obviously, in the court's opinion, you don't know. You're not aware of that portion of the law.
Your Honor, you're stating that just because the car wasn't registered to him, he didn't have to produce valid insurance.
Listen. I'm not gonna sit here and debate with you.
We're not debating. You brought up the concern.
All right, so I didn't ask you a question, so I don't need you to comment on it. I said the court said what it said, and the court tells you how it feels the law is supposed to be applied. And I believe that if this car is not in Mr. Gloucester's name, then the ticket should not have been as a misdemeanor.
Even if it's in your name or not, you still need valid insurance if you're operating that vehicle. Absolutely.
You
said what you said, Your Honor. You said what you said. I disagree with it.
Listen, Officer Harris, I'm not gonna. I didn't ask you to talk. Okay.
Okay, that's fine. I disagree with what you're saying.
So I don't need your comment. So, but Mr. Gloucester, you do have to produce valid registration if you're operating this vehicle. You understand that? All right. So I'm gonna find you guilty of improper plate amended count. $240 is gonna be the fine, and I'll dismiss the other matters.
Okay.
All right. $240. When can you pay? I'll dismiss that upon payment.
I'll pay it next week. That's cool.
Yeah. Whenever. Give me a date.
What's today though? 5th. So
Today is the 6th.
Next week, Friday.
So you're talking about the 16th?
Yeah, that'd be cool.
The 16th. Pay it at any div
Yeah,
that
I should be able to pay it before then, but that'll be good enough more time.
Just come back on the 16th at 8:25, and if it's paid in the system, you don't have to come back, but come back at 8:25 to make sure it's paid. And I'll dismiss the case. Pay it at any div that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the div that app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways that I can tell you to pay it. If it's nothing further, sir, best of luck to you. Happy New Year, and best of luck to you. And Officer Harris, I don't appreciate your back and forth. I didn't ask you for your explanation on how you feel the law is. I'm telling you what the court felt the law is, and I'm gonna leave it at that. Be safe out there. Have a very good rest of your day as well.
All right, you as well, sir.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Owens. Mr. Owens, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, Mr. Owens was able to present valid insurance. There is a recommendation to dismiss the matters.
Okay, Mr. Owens, I'm going to dismiss the cases, provided valid documentation, and I'll waive the warrant fee. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Happy New Year to you, and best of luck to you.
Happy New Year, Judge.
Go back to sleep now, Mr. Owens.
Happy New Year, Judge. Thank you.
Have a good one.
Have a good one.
All right.